Well, I'm here with Vu from Cardwatch POS, point of sale systems, based in York region, and we're here at Collision Conference 2024. Thanks so much for your time, Vu.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you for having me a chance.
And how's your show so far here?
Oh, I love it. It's a lot of things going on, a lot of interesting stuff. A lot of information. As for a startup like CardWatch, it's a lot of information for us to get in there so we can learn and build our company.
Well, we'd like to learn what's Cardwatch POS all about, so please fill us in.
Yeah, CardWatch POS. We basically make custom healthcare POS systems. Basically, it's a POS system with meal plan management. It's been around for more than 25 years in York region. We're just out of Newmarket. And most of our clients are in the U.S., and it's a very underpenetrated sector. So we're just continuing to build our product and expand in the Canada and the U.S. as well, obviously.
What unique challenges does a healthcare-based POS system have compared to a retail system?
Basically, we have a lot of customer management data that we gotta account for. So we gotta make sure everything is captured correctly, and it's accurate for our clients. That's one of the primary things, and obviously always innovating and getting the new modules out there for the needs of our clients, right?
AI seems to be the big buzzword this year, of course. Do you leverage artificial intelligence?
Yes, that is in our development pipeline as we stabilize, because we just recently purchased the company from the previous owner, but we are leveraging AI because we have a lot of data that would be useful, that would be, creating an innovative AI product for our clients that is useful to them.
And Vu, what are you and the other folks that are here from Cardwatch POS looking to achieve at Collision Conference?
We're looking to get, network and possibly get some investors on board so we can scale our product faster. So instead of 3 years, we would like to do it the next year and a half to get all our products out there.
Awesome. All right. Well, Newmarket's in the house. So where can our viewers learn more about your company and on social media as well?
Everybody can go to cardwatchpos.com. We're also LinkedIn, available on LinkedIn as well. We write a lot of blogs every week about the healthcare community in the senior living, and how our system helps that community.
Awesome. Thanks so much for your time, Vu. Great to chat with you.
Thank you a lot, Mark. Thanks.